How to add money to PayPal account. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can add money to your PayPal account very easily. Now here I'll be showing you through the browser due to the screen recording issue on the app. Now to do so, here you can see I've logged into the account here. Make sure you are logged into your account and you'll get an interface like this. Then tap on the three horizontal lines icon at the top left corner of your screen. You can find it right here, and then head into the wallet. Now you'll get the option for money as well, but money and wallet, so don't get confused. Just head into wallet and here it'll ask you to link a new card. Now since I haven't linked a card here, if you have linked a card you'll want to get this option. Now if you haven't, however, simply link your card and then follow all the necessary steps forward. Here tap on link a card and it'll ask you your card details, debit, credit card, expiration date, security code and all such, and then you can choose the billing address and then link card. And once you do this, you'll get the option to add the amount or add money to your account. So just follow the necessary steps and process and you'll be able to add money to PayPal account. So this way you can add money. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.